This is Manus, the AI agent that doesn't tell you how to do the work, it just does it. Research, websites, slides, the busy work. You hand it the job, walk away, and come back to it finished. And there's one thing it does that no other AI can pull off, but I'll show you that in a second. First, let me show you everything it can do. Stick with me to the end. That's where I show you how to set Manus running your work on its own, even while you sleep. Let's go. So what actually is this thing? Manus isn't a chatbot. It's an AI agent with its own computer and its own internet connection, working start to finish while you step away. Think of it less like ChatGPT and more like a really capable assistant who actually does the legwork. Here's how this video works. I'll get you signed up, walk you through the screen, then go feature by feature, and for each one I'll show you exactly where it lives and how to use it, so you can follow along. Stick around for the research demo coming up. It does something no normal AI can. First, let's get you in the door. Getting in takes about 2 minutes. Head to manus.im and create a free account. When you sign up, it'll ask you to pick a plan. And here's my honest advice. Just start on the free one. You get enough credits to test everything I'm about to show you, so there's zero reason to pay until you know you love it. 2 optional installs while you're here. If you want Manus to work with the files on your own computer, download the desktop app. It's on Mac and Windows. And if you want it to control your browser, grab the Chrome extension. You don't need either to follow along today, but I'll show you what they unlock later. Account made? Good. The moment you log in, you land here. So let me give you the quick tour, because knowing your way around makes everything after it click. First thing to notice is what this isn't. It's not a chat window. Manus is built around tasks and projects, not endless back and forth. Center of the screen is the prompt bar. What can I do for you? With quick action buttons under it, build a website, create slides, design, develop apps. That's your launchpad for most things. On the left is your navigation, tasks, agents, and your library, where everything you've made lives. Up top, your credit balance, so you always know what you're spending. 2 spots to know for later. The connector tab. That's where Manus plugs into Gmail, Outlook, Calendar, GitHub, and Slack. And projects. Think of a project as a folder for a whole goal that bundles your prompts and files into one reusable workspace, so a weekly job you set up once, you just rerun. Okay, you're in. You know your way around. Now let's put it to work with one quick task, so you can see the magic before we tour everything else. This one lives right in the prompt bar. Type your prompt, just describe the job. Here's mine. Get me up to speed on a topic fast. Find 20 solid sources, summarize each, and flag which side of the argument it backs, all in a table. Watch what a normal AI can't do. Instead of reading them one at a time, Manus spawns a separate mini agent for each source. 20 sources, 20 agents, all reading at once. And you'd think that'd get sloppy. It's the opposite. Each agent has one job, so the summaries stay sharp. And a minute later, I've got an organized source table I can actually work from. The research that usually eats a whole afternoon, done. And to be clear, it's handing me organized research. The thinking is still mine. That's one feature. What makes Manus feel like a real assistant is everything around it, starting with the one that means you don't even need to know what to type. You'll find these in the Playbooks section at the bottom of the prompt bar. Click More and scroll down to find Playbooks. There's a whole library, and you can also browse it at manus.im/playbook. Pick one that matches your job, a research report, a comparison table, a content plan. Fill in a couple of blanks and hit go, and Manus runs the whole proven recipe for you. This is what kills the blank prompt problem. That research demo I just did, there's basically a playbook for it. For a beginner, it's the single fastest way to get a great result on day one. But what if your workflow is specific to you? Something no template covers? That's the next one. In your workspace, you can create or upload a skill. Open the sidebar, go to Plugins, scroll down to see the skills. You can create a skill by defining the steps once and save it. You can also choose from the given skills. You can also upload a skill by clicking Create, then select Upload a Skill. After that, anytime you type / and the skill's name, Manus runs that exact workflow end-to-end in its own sandbox. Real steps, not just a description. Think a Format my reports the way I like skill, or a Turn raw notes into a clean summary skill. If playbooks are recipes Manus gives you, skills are the recipes you teach it. Set up once, reused forever, your own process on autopilot. Okay, that's how Manus thinks. Now let me show you what it can build. This is where the hook from the start pays off. First, AI slides, powered by Google's Nano Banana Pro model. Hit Create Slides at the bottom of the prompt bar, or just describe your deck in the prompt bar. Tell it the topic, and Manus builds the entire deck, designed and consistent, with clean, readable text on real charts and diagrams. It researches the topic first, then exports to PowerPoint, PDF, or Google Slides so you can edit. Second, turning meetings and videos into notes. Write in the prompt bar, paste a video or meeting link, or upload the recording, and tell it what you want. Something like, summarize this into notes with the key decisions and action items. A couple of minutes later, you've got clean, structured, searchable notes. Couldn't sit through the whole thing? This gets it back for you. Third, the web app builder. Hit build a website found at the bottom again of the prompt bar, or type it in the prompt bar and describe the site in plain English. A portfolio with a projects gallery and a contact form. Manus builds the real working thing, not a mock-up, with the pages, database, and login wired up. Preview it live, tweak by just typing, then publish straight from Manus or export the whole codebase to host anywhere. You own it. No lock-in. And fourth, images and music. For graphics, hit design or just describe what you want in the prompt bar. A logo, a thumbnail, and fine-tune it on a canvas instead of re-rolling the prompt. For audio, the music generator turns a prompt into an original, royalty-free track, so no copyright strikes. So it can research and it can build. But here's where it stops feeling like software, because Manus can step outside its own window. First, the browser operator. Install the Manus Chrome extension and sign in, and then you can ask Manus to do things in your browser. Fill a form, pull data, check a site. Because it runs through your logins, it works on sites you're already signed into, like a human clicking around. Second, the cloud computer. This one comes with the Max plan. Open it from your workspace, deploy a script or a bot, and it runs 24/7, even with your laptop closed. Set it, forget it. And third, My Computer, the desktop app. Download it for Mac or Windows, turn on My Computer, and approve access. And Manus can work with your real files, organize folders, rename things, run tasks using your machine's idle power. There's a mobile app too for firing off tasks on the go, which leaves the only question that matters: what does this cost? Manus runs on credits. You spend credits when it does work, and just looking at results is free. The free plan is genuinely usable: 4,000 credits a month, plus 300 refresh credits every day, and up to 20 tasks at once. For most people, that's all you need. Start here, and don't pay a cent until you've actually hit a wall. The Pro plan is $40 a month and doubles you to 8,000 credits, the sweet spot if you're using it regularly. And the Max plan is $200 a month, 40,000 credits plus that 24/7 cloud computer. Overkill for most people, but there if you run heavy automation. There are team plans too, with single sign-on for bigger orgs. So that's the full tour. Before you go, 2 quick things, and the second one helps you directly. First, if you made it this far, you're clearly looking for ways to work smarter, so do future you a favor and subscribe. I test these AI tools so you don't waste your free credits figuring them out. And second, the exact prompt I used for that research demo is in the description below, along with the playbooks I mentioned. Copy it, paste it, and you can get the same result in the next 5 minutes. Because here's the truth. We crossed a line this year. AI stopped being something you talk to and became something you can actually hand work to. The question isn't whether AI can do your busy work anymore. It's what you'll do with all the time you just got back. So tell me in the comments, what should I make Manus do next? Turn a long video into notes? Build a website from scratch? Automate a weekly report? Drop it below, and if enough of you want it, that's the next video. I'll see you in the next one.